Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Defense Pundit. Today, I am come with my topic on the AMCA fighter jets. It is the fifth generation fighter jets that India has dreamed to make by its own, and this is jointly developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency and the HAL. And if I talk about the feature of this aircraft, it is twin engine, single seat, all weather, multi role fighter jets. And it is a fifth generation fighter jets. And now it's there are two variants of the AMCA, that is Mark 1 and Mark 2. There is the difference between the variants are as follows. Fifth generation Mark 1 is fifth generation stealth and Mark 2 is 5.1. And this is the only the technical part, but now the important news regarding the AMCA fighter jet is not about its outer body, it is about its engine. The engine provides the boost to the aircraft. How will it manage, how, what type of the speed it will give, and the basic thrust to the fighter jets is the engine. But the sad thing is that we don't have our own engine. We are relying on the other companies religion from the France and the Germany, and third is the America. So we are unable to make our own engine, and recently we have uh, signed MOU, and we have proposal of engines from the companies like Saffron from the France, and they offer 100% technology transfer. And on other hand, Rolls-Royce from the United Kingdom also offer to give their engine, and they said that 100% technology transfer and the full joint intellectual property rights are remaining with the India. So we have two choices basically, and the saffron that they will uh, achieve the first flight by 2034. But the thing is that we have the dilemma. The dilemma is that from the France we have make Rafale fighter jets that is performing very well in, and Rolls Royce is new to us. And if I talk with our relation with the United States of America, they say their engine is General Electronic, made by that company. They offer F414 engine for the Mark 1, but the cost of that engine is very high. So we are not interested in that cost, that engine. But the worrying thing is that even after making the outer body, the basic or the most important thing is the our own engine. We are unable to do that. We have started the Kaveri engine program in 1980s, but we could not able to provide the boost to that Kaveri engine. So we start relying on this. The reason behind is that we have to comply with the geopolitics reality in the world, and we cannot wait for until that we will make our own engine. At the by the time uh, there will come a sixth generation fighter jets. So we are relying on these three major two companies, that is Saffron and the Rolls Royce. So the four pillars of the sovereign engine design. As I read in article on the Indian Express, that is advanced metallurgy. It is the material science, that how the capable it is the capability to grow single crystal blades and engineer high temperature. When the aircraft fly, the blade it suck the air from the outside and rotate it very high pressure. In the meantime, the blades of the that engine got hmm, very hot, and they might break, and it will lead to the crash of that engine. So we have to work on the advanced metallurgy and the specialized thermal carrier coatings, applying ultra thin highly engineered ceramic coatings to protect critical core hot components from structural failure. It is also talk about the how we are unable to make thermal barrier coatings, so we relying on the other countries and the import of such things. And third is aerodynamics engineering. We have to design calculation needed to optimize airflow through the high pressure compressor, design high efficiency combustion chambers. We have to work upon main four pillars. And the fourth is the full authority digital engine control, that we are still unable to make the full authority digital engine control, that how much is the pressure in the aircraft and what is its altitude and its variable geometry, the fuel flow in the aircraft. We are not have such technology and the expertise in such four domains. So that is why we are unable to make our own engine. So by dedicating a higher investment in the uh, research and development, and from the learnings of the other nations we can make our own engines in some years. So we have to work hard for our making our own engine, and we will self-reliant in true sense only that way when we are able to make our engine by own instead of relying on other foreign countries like the United Kingdom and the France.